yes.
Shakara like this song. Holy. Techno.
Palanga.
Yeah.
I go show you
Get some
love
song
that
where
you
they
never
touch you where
No,
Palanga.
anytime when love song begin to touch you don't say they close to marriage. You like this. Now they really touch you. You're very close.
since the days of African Queen, we don't sing love song, we don't touch us.
He touched you.
How many years ago?
He touched you.
He touched now.
The African Queen was general touching.
African
You
Queen
understand?
was-
I mean, this one is a personal.
one is
You know,
personal.
like if you do
This
church
one
now,
is
you understand, and they mean they speak
They
something.
mean start
Then
with.
only you the thing refer to.
That means now you.
So this one only this one they really touch.
No, I easily get high with songs. Most especially songs that are very inspirational.
Like Africa, China, them.
Government bad. Hey! They don't want to get to one job.
Oh.
My God, because if I got a man, no get job. My brother,
Come, when are we bringing Africa, China here? Because you don't reach
China
out.
man
You
go
don't reach.
come very soon on this show.
Hey.
Because if China man come here, my brother, everything.
I don't see why you like Africa, China. You don't say Africa, China. The voice no need to be very.
At all.
You see your voice now, so you can sing like that. Yeah, sing this.
Without falling, without coming here to Sunday now, all the etc.
We don't show.
We concern Bubbles and babies them. Make it for no loss. This now the show we call
Bubbles Yarn.
And when I know say we don't the same relationship since
2014.
Yes, so.
I'm hyper today now.
I'm happy
Friday,
because
Friday
it's a
now.
Friday thing.
Yes, now.
It's a Friday thing. We dey go catch
But
fun.
nowadays, to
I'm
say
on
thank God
my.
it's Friday, they had where resources no dey. when you know when money they go, wow, thank God it's Friday.
Yeah.
Whenever we're there, but today na Friday
Friday
sha.
sha.
Normal day.
But today na Friday sha.
No, but I can take you out today now. Where you want to go? I take you anywhere, take you around the world, show you the world, show you live, you understand? But anybody where you come with, that will carry and go in the end though. I can't spend for you and your partner.
Ask Kiss Daniel.
You understand?
That's right.
Yes, matter we want yarn today. They very, very simple but prolific. Now, who you suppose love pass? Your partner or your mama? That no matter what I want to more talk about. Now, Shakara Showman, when I know say mostly some guys they marry and some guys they get babe, but then they love their mama pieces past the babe. Now, and some babes too, they love their mama pieces past their guy. And you know, and they feel say they're supposed to reach balance inside the relationship. You know, you your guy, you your babe, you your mama. Balance supposed they agreed now your mama born you. But the matter na say you go leave your papa and your mama clinch to one woman.
I don't know why.
And make them yourself. So I really want more to talk about who you suppose love pass.
Yesterday I watched one Tyler Perry movie where this same issue happened. But this one be say the babe hold it. Now Maurice Chestnut now be the husband.
Shana, why did I get married?
If I hear him, I go. But in the end, you say this babe get money pass the
Chestnut,
husband. Yes,
the
pass
husband.
Chestnut. You understand? So the mother now of the babe, they live with them. You understand? She said don't leave her husband because the husband beat her once. So now inside this her daughter marital home, now how they control nearly everything where they happen. You understand? And because the guy no hold like the
Wife.
you understand? She do want to then chase the guy. So now you see in that situation now, most times they always never have because most people they always they attached to their mother. You understand? Most time,
How you take come to that conclusion?
no,
Say,
most people, even if na guy, even if na babe, most times now your mom see you do so you don't love your mother well.
you love your mother,
No,
but
you love your mother now, but the thing I say, if you say-
you get that.
Yes,
majority-
everybody
You know why they
see.
talk? No, majority care. Once you are married, there's this. It be like transfer. You understand? Forget you go see strong love between mother and child. You understand? Whether male or female. You see the strong love. But once marriage don't they except now those few people we marry for the wrong reason. You know, say you get people where they marry no love from the day one of the marriage. They know. And so like that, their love remain where it is. It remain with their mother. You understand? You know, go transfer. But marriage now. Now, one kind of strong covenant. It be like,
mother's love. Most times, mother's love.
Yes.
Even wife, most times.
You know
my friend. I get one
But
friend.
there's this adage where they talk, say once you don't marry, your wife, they become your mother, your sister, your friend, and everything.
Yes, I agree with you. That's the way you talk now. You understand? But if your mother they are alive, like for instance now, I get a friend where be saying that the momsy, now you run the whole when the father died at a very young age. You understand?
Yes,
so the momsy run the whole package till this boy grow up. If you enter inside in parlor, you understand? In mother portrait, 9 days there, you get tattoo of the mother. For a body, that kind of one, you understand? If he
now there's something
there are few.
There are few people
majority.
Many
no, it's not many. Now make you don't hear this word where people will tell you say, or some families they talk and say, and now you go feed do for your people who will never marry you. Do help your younger ones. Understand? Because if you marry, responsibility go shift. Understand?
Okay, now
that is that love. To your wife,
your wife and your wife family, Abi?
No, your wife and your children.
Your wife, your children.
Before the children go come. Now your wife, now she go use her head to carry the whole love.
What did I believe basically?
But your mother own go come dey a bit reduce.
If now 100% you give your money before you marry, now once you don't marry, you cut them to 50.
You cannot cut. You don't think
calm down. No, calm down.
Calm down. Mother's love.
No, I don't know. You don't understand what I mean by cutting.
You might not even categorically say, okay, I'm reducing the love for my mom.
No.
But you just realize that.
You go just know say they reduce that attention
and many other things.
Obviously, attention the move. We don't watch. I don't know about you now. But even many Nigerian movies, American movies, you understand? Most mothers, you understand, where they always control even the sons. You never see movie where they say the boy no fit even do anything without the mother. The mother go to know what to do. Because most times, most people that they either grow up with the mother. Most Nigerian men know they too get time for you. So now your mom see now they always be there also.
Situations where they say when person
who they visit the family house pass.
Okay.
Between father and mother.
Now mother. But okay, why be say when you marry, now your wife now they remind you most times about your mom.
About your mom.
Maybe your wife so.
Many people, many families.
Maybe your wife remind you.
That means say woman where you marry don't like your mama.
No, not be all no.
No, it means say woman where you marry don't like your mama. Now, waiting at the try come across now and say, or waiting at the try talk now and say, you see this love between wife and mama. And now, how you go take cope? You know deal with your mama again. You dey live with this woman. She washes your clothes. She cooks for you.
Why you go wash your clothes for you?
She takes care of you.
Your
wife will wash your clothes. Your wife will wash your clothes. Your wife will decide to put your clothes for washing machine. When you say washing machine, go wash and go bring them out.
My wife
calm down, young man.
My wife.
There are some wives that will tell you that I will wash my husband's clothes.
I don't believe say you put her like say your wife they wash your clothes. Right? You man you go follow wash her clothes. Talk other things.
Young man,
because even your mother wash your clothes too.
It's very obvious.
Your mother wash your clothes.
It's very obvious that you don't really understand the rudiments of love.
I'm telling you.
No, true, because
rudiments how?
Okay, what you have
to make her look like say na mandate say your wife must wash your clothes.
No be mandatory.
Can you wash your wife's pants?
Why not?
Can you?
Yes,
why not? Why you smile?
No,
why not?
Because it's not very usual. So I smile.
But you use that for your wife to wash your own clothes.
Yes, but
let's face fact. Wait, make answer a question.
We have a culture. We have a tradition.
That what?
That your wife
is a washerwoman.
Let's face fact. I want to ask a question.
The house work. If we won't go, but if forget technology.
If you want to go tradition, if you want to go tradition,
house work, house chores, na woman.
But your wife, but these days now, your wife they work, you they work too.
Now we can say technology and advancement.
So I'm just saying that
advancement.
You know, the list you go on list about what your wife they do for you. The only thing where your mother no fit do for you, now cranking. But your mother has done everything. Wash your bum, wash your everything. So even if your wife did do them, your mother did all this.
I want to ask you a question. It is nature and it is normal that when you get to that stage, that you will live and cling to your own wife. The love you have to do what? If before you think of your mother, you need to think of your wife.
Oh yeah, wait now.
I don't know. I'm not doubting you on that
Have
one.
you heard of this that sex is a covenant between two people?
Yes.
Then when you keep having that sex like every other time,
Yes.
With that same
understand?
woman.
Do you know this same covenant thing and make some relationship? They don't want to marry you, but they know they break up. Then they date, they go 7 years. Because of that strong this thing, you understand? So there are too many forces where they band husband and wife together, where they make you
I agree
not to
with
say
you.
you don't love your parents again.
I agree
What
with
go
you,
make you
Shakara.
forget them.
Now, so-
But do you know that
no.
in the same way too, you get people where we say, even when they marry, you understand, maybe later on now, the love for the wife no come strong again. But the love for mother, most times they rarely die.
A mother's love is always there.
Yeah.
You know
It's
the
always
guy.
there.
Most
Make
times
me rise,
they-
make me
yeah,
somebody
yeah,
somebody.
yeah.
Pass. Someone
Maybe
must
go
pass
down
one.
for street. When we come back, we should continue the matter.
One
Don't go
more
anywhere.
pass one.
Now,
Hey, which
of
one?
course, he must pass.
One more
He
pass
must
one.
pass because if you don't marry finish, when we say you go crazy,
One
things,
must
he must
pass
pass
one.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.